Hey guys, welcome back. So finally we have a very first look at Samsung's flagship beast, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Here you're looking at the latest device in real life image, which is looking super awesome. And in this video we will talk about this smartphone, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get daily new updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So guys, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has been leaked once again, but this time it is the real life image. Courtesy of John Prosser, we have our full view of the back. Now this smartphone looks super duper premium, and those camera sensor without the camera housing, giving this phone a unique look. The phone is curved from both sides and has matte finish color, which means no fingerprints at all. It is true that the S Pen will be available inside the smartphone, and the shocking part is Samsung has managed to put the S Pen with huge 5000 mAh battery size. At the bottom of the phone there is a space for S Pen, speaker grill, USB Type-C port and SIM card tray. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will offer a 6.8-inch display with 1440p resolution, 2x dynamic AMOLED panel and 120Hz high refresh rate. So the display will be top notch here, beautiful bright colors, deep blacks and great viewing angles. Of course, Samsung is well known for its display, so there will be no issue in terms of quality. The device will be powered by latest gen Qualcomm Snapdragon 898, and in some region Exynos variant will be available. With this new chipset, phone can do multitasking pretty smooth, and gaming performance will be significantly improved, where you can play heavy games on high setting with high frame rate without any lag. On the back of the phone there will be a flagship quad camera setup, which has a main sensor of 108 megapixel, 10 megapixel telephoto zoom lens which can go up to 3x optical, 10 megapixel periscope zoom lens with 10x optical zoom, and at last 12 megapixel ultra wide lens for the wide angle photos. The front of the phone will have a 40 megapixel camera in a tiny punch hole cutout, so no doubt this camera system will produce good quality images and videos, whereas now a new button will be added for 108 megapixel mode, in which users can turn on detail enhanced mode to get the full potential of this sensor. The handset is also said to be backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watt of reverse wireless charging. So there you go guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's first look, and if you have any question related to this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section, and if you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.